Hello guys, welcome to Place Go to Edu and my name is Vinay Kumar Nainabatani. Today we are going to learn polynomials. In this module, I am going to explain you what are the terms, additions, subtractions, multiplications and divisions of polynomials. So let's get started. Before going to see what are polynomials, I want to tell you two things. One is constants and another one is variables. Okay, what are constants? Constants are nothing but the numbers which have definite value 5, 4, 1 by 3, whatever it is. The numbers are known as constants, and the variables are alphabets, that is A, B, X, Y, Z. All these are variables. Why these are called variables? Because these can have any number of values, that is 1, 2, 1 by 3, whatever it is, variables will take them unless and until variables are defined. For example, X is a variable, X belongs to real numbers, this R is real numbers. So X will be a set of real numbers, that's it. It should not be imaginary like that. So the variables will be defined. If not, variables can take any values. Understood? What is an expression? What is an expression? Expression is nothing but that is made up of constants and variables. How will be the structure of expression? 5x plus 3y. This is one expression. 5x is an expression, x is an expression. Like that, it will have two types, that is constant and variables will be combined to form an expression. You have to observe that this 5x will be a term, this 3y will be a term, and this 5x will be a term. Here x is a term. I am going to give you a map which forms expression. Constants and variables combine to form terms. Understood? And the terms will combine to form expression. Expressions are divided into various types based upon the number of terms. If number of terms is equals to 1, then it is monomial. If the number of terms is 2, then it is binomial. Okay, if the number of terms are more than 2, it is known as polynomial. Understood? So what we are going to discuss is nothing but this polynomial. I just gave you a brief introduction for polynomial. So what you have to take in mind is a polynomial is an expression. So what you have to take in mind is a polynomial is an expression which has more than 2 terms. Understood? So a polynomial will have certain parts. Those parts I am going to tell you. For example, consider 3x square plus 4x plus 5. This is a polynomial because we have, this is one term, this is 2 terms, and this is 3 terms, third term. So we have 3 terms in this expression. So it is known as polynomial because it is greater than 2. That's it. Now the terms, if I consider them individually, 3x square, factors of this can be 3x and x square. Okay, I can write the factors. In that factors, the constant or the numerical factor is known as coefficient. The numerical factor is known as coefficient. So whatever polynomial is given, if you see any number, it will be a coefficient. That means 3 is a coefficient of x square, 4 is a coefficient of x. What about 5? It will not be a coefficient. because we don't find any variable here. If you have any variable like x power 4, then 5 will be coefficient, but we don't have any variable, we have only 5. So we can't say 5 is a coefficient. Here we say only 5 is a constant. Understood? That's the important point you have to remember. I'm giving another example. 4x cube plus 3. Here 4 is coefficient of x cube. 3 is constant because we don't have any variable at the right side of it, so it is known as constant. Understood? I think you got a clear understanding about the coefficient and constant and what will be the terms of polynomials. Next one. Now coming to the addition of polynomials. I am going to tell you the addition of polynomials. The question is, add 3x square plus 4x plus 3 and 4x cube plus 5x plus 2. In order to add or subtract polynomials, you have to know about the like and unlike terms. That is, 3x square and 5x square will be like terms. These two will be like. Okay. 3x square and 5x are unlike. Understood? So on what basis I am telling like and unlike is, the variable should be considered to tell the like and unlike terms. Since here x square and x square, the variable is same, we can say that 3x square and 5x square are like, and here the variable x square and x, basically x is the variable, but here x is 2 times, so x into x, that is x square, so it is unlike. Like terms can be added, whereas unlike terms cannot be added. Okay, unlike terms cannot be added. That's why I'm telling you what are like terms and unlike terms. So now what the question is, add 3x square plus 4x plus 3 and 4x cube plus 5x plus 3. Now I'm going to explain you the addition. See here, I'm going to write 3x square plus 4x plus 3 plus 4x cube plus 5x plus 2. What I did is, I wrote the like terms up and below. See here, 4x and 5x are like terms and 3 and 2 are the constants. I don't have any x square term in the second one, so I wrote it as 0. And I don't have any x cube in the first term, so I am writing it as 0. Now it's very easy that we can add them. So 4x cube plus 0 is 4x cube, 3x square plus 0 is 3x square, plus 4x plus 5x. Here there is nothing difficult. What you have to add is only the coefficients. So what are the coefficients? That is 4 plus 5, which is nothing but 9. So we will write that 9 and the variable there. Understood? 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, I think you got. This is where you can use the like and unlike terms. I am going to give you an assignment which is in the description, such that you can practice some sums regarding the additions and subtractions of polynomials. Not only additions and subtractions, I am going to give you the multiplications and divisions also. in that assignment. Next one is subtraction. Subtract 4x power 5 minus 3x cube plus 4 from 3x plus 5. What we have to do is the same process. We have to write all the things. 4x power 5. We don't have x power 4 terms, so I am writing it as 0. We don't have, sorry, we have x cube term, so 3x cube. We don't have x square term, so I am writing it as 0. X term we don't have, 0 and 4. I hope you are understanding why I am writing zeros. 3x plus 5. Coming to 3x plus 5, we don't have x power 5 term there, x power 4 term there, x power 3 term there, x square term there, but I have 3x plus 5. Subtracting them, 4x power 5 minus 0. 4x power 5 minus 0 will be 4x power 5. 0 minus 0, 0, minus 3x cube plus 0, which is nothing but minus 3x cube minus 0, that will be minus 3x cube and plus 0 plus 0 plus or minus is not a problem. 0 minus 3x, because here it is minus, we have to write it as minus, it should be multiplied, so it is minus 3x, and plus it also should be changed into minus, so minus 5. Therefore we got the answer as 4x power 5 minus 3x cube minus 3x minus 5. This is our answer. That means this is how the subtraction is done. Understood? Like terms and unlike terms will be very helpful in subtraction and addition, but not in multiplication and division.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. So please like, share, comment and subscribe. If you guys didn't like this video, please let me know through comments. Thank you.